Tunisia's street food scene is a vibrant mix of history and flavor. At the bustling markets of Tunis, you can find grilled Merguez sausages, bursting with spices, served in a warm baguette with harissa. Others might venture towards stalls selling brick, a crispy pastry filled with egg and parsley, tantalizing passers-by with its golden sheen. The sweet side unveils Makroud, semolina pastry filled with dates, offering a delicious conclusion to any meal. Each bite not only delivers flavor, but tells the story of Tunisia's rich culture and the passion of its street vendors. Join in on this culinary adventure and fall in love with Tunisia's food treasures.